Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A02s mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or SIM slot by using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Take out the back cover and then take out the board frame by undoing 8 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector. Next, take out the not working front camera by loosening the sticky and disconnecting the plug. Next, take out the not working macro and main cameras from the front side of the logic board. Next, gently flip the board and take out the depth camera from the board. Next, place the new cameras in the board. First, place the new depth camera by connecting the plug. Next, place the logic board in the body and then secure both main and macro cameras to the board. Next, place the new front camera with adhesive. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place the board frame by adding 8 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and through the sides to secure the clips. And also do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Samsung Galaxy A02s Mobile Phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.